Epic Bitcoin bounce in action. What I did. Vote, fuck yeah, let's go. And this power hour, and we're over 400 SMP. Good afternoon, my friends. Coming at you live, 12:30 p.m. West Coast, USA. Crypto special. I know some of you will catch up on this at the end of the day, tomorrow, whatever. Enjoy the show. We're going green. Nice being worked out. Jumping in the church. We're crushing it Discord day. Decided to open it up. Cause the dollar's still dipping and crypto's still ripping. This is what we've been waiting for. Vengeance. We're being patient all morning. Talking about us. Testing our emotions. And the federal announcements everyone's talking about. Getting priced in yesterday. Now it's doing the opposite of what everyone expected, but we were ready for it. Vengeance. That was a quick $1,000 on Bitcoin. Wow. So was the last one. Here's a nice midterm, long-term chart from the top to the bottom. Breakout, retest, success. This is what we've been waiting for. I can smell 30K already. 30K right around the corner. Fuck, we're probably gonna hit 25 right now. There's 24. Get another higher high. There's 25. But more importantly, it's happening quick. Bears get ripped. Top of the bottom is 21. There's 21. It went $1,000 up to 22 real fast. Get out of the shower, don't blink. It went to 23 even faster. Right after. That was a quick $1,000. So was that even. The next $1,000 can be just as quick. Boom. In an hour from now, we're already up 24, 25K. If we hit that, that's the highest it's even been this whole time. And yeah, it'll cool off a bit after that. It's not gonna squeeze straight up to 30K. But with the S&P being over 400, that's as perfect as could be. Set up for 420 next week. Certainly gonna be hitting 420 next week on that, and Bitcoin will go with it. So even if we're chopping around 25k another day or two right after that, it can be this weekend. I know I've said that last weekend and the weekend before, and it could have been either one of those two. It could have been right here or right there. Those were both on Fridays, and we ran out of momentum. It's Wednesday. We still got tomorrow to be up here. We hold nice and green tomorrow, and Friday we're finishing with a bang. This could easily go 30 over the weekend again. But this time, what's different this time? Everything, nothing but everything. Something is very different this time. We're getting a $2 dip. It's still going. That was our trip. The Ghost Pirates directed on the Moon Boys. On the Sasquatchins. And we all know it's a delayed effect by now. That's how it goes with the dollar, because we're seeing it play out. It's gonna take a whole nother 25 minutes, right exactly when the bell hits. Right exactly the end of the day for crypto traders to even see this and place their orders. It's always a delayed effect, 15-30 minutes when we get a dollar dip. So we just got continuation. We're gonna get more green in 15 minutes.
That when we do the private VIP Discord only stream, we look totally nude. Some incentive for anyone on the fence about joining the crew on Discord. Hashtag stop suck pants down.
Oh, we can't give away ours. That's the surprise when they join. They go, oh, this is even better. We definitely had some. We definitely exposed ourselves to at least emotionally. Funny, not really. See, I'm telling you, you can make a whole comedy routine based around trading. We're below that green line now. The hot tub came out. People are drinking rum. Anything's possible. I'm probably gonna pick up a bottle of rum for Friday at this rate. It's so epic, but then on the other hand, I don't have enough time to buy Nano under $1 because the altcoins are outpacing the stocks right now, and the stocks that are on the top of the list backed holdings and fucking Sphere 3D. Okay, no, wait. All the alerts pop out. Oh, so there's not even that many double digits on stocks. Yeah. Okay, they're coming through. They're starting to come through, but altcoins. Time's up. Balance are 16%. All of a sudden. That was like red this morning. 30 minutes ago, I think Balancer was red. Ooh. Go, Balancer, go. We're restoring the balance of all nature, of human nature. And overvalued, undervalued charts. We're up the buffs. Captain's charging in on tank. I'm in tank. I need healing though. Oh, perfect retrospection. What happened? Did one boy come through or something? It's funny you mentioned that. I still have an old picture of Lawn Boy. He's always with us in spirit. I happened to see a picture of him on my computer. And we pulled it up earlier. Lawn Boy's still here in spirit. You know what happened? The plan is becoming a reality. I don't need to change anything on this chart because this is what it's gonna do. All we're waiting for is the candle bars to catch up. Oh, nice. And Great Panther mining 8% even. Okay, so pretty fucking epic crypto right now. Oh, and we hit 1-2. We're over 1-2, by the way. That too. All the signs are there. There's nothing else we need. This is it. We didn't even stop on 20k again. There's no more 20k. It wasn't 20k. Omega Captain left 20k. So last week. That was so 2 weeks ago. Ancient history. 20k never again. Crash is done. Crypto crash complete. Stock market crash not done. Per se. There's still a lot of overvalued stock charts. But damn, crypto crash is done. That was it. So on one hand, it was super epic because all the green about to come through. On the other hand, oh shit, there's no more time to pillage hot baby altcoins. I'm okay with that. Whatever. Yeah. We got what we got. We've had all year. We've had plenty of time. How long do we need? Just accumulate them forever. I wanted more. I'm a human. More. I always want more. That seems to be a common occurrence. I don't know about you, but I seem to always want more. So I got some crypto, but damn, I want some more. You know, that's okay. Rocket fuel engaged. Let's make some green off what we do have. I can get more later after I take profits. Crushing target. After I take profits on crypto, I'll get some more stuff. Maybe I'll get some AMC. And that was it, joke. Litecoin's already getting through 60. This Litecoin should finish the day over 3. We got 17 minutes, still a good chunk of time. Yeah, true. There's a drop opportunity on Imperial today. There's some kind of a meeting, company conference on that. We're looking at a drop opportunity. This is down from yesterday, but just another nice entry on. Right in the bull box, right in the golden entry. But I drew it blue because it's water. It's hidden treasure floating underwater. Or all those other traders already crashed back here and they lost all their treasure. Fell out of the boats, just sitting right where we want it. Right for a ticking. It's just as good as it was yesterday, even better. And now even, look, the one that was concerning, you know, is a lot more concerning than anything that would be doing right now. Great Panther Mining. Great Panther Mining got 10% bounce right now. Bull USD on the top of the list. How fitting. How fitting. Crypto bulls having a day. Victory. We're almost through that line on the dollar already even. Holy fuck, we're almost through the line already. I'm not overemphasizing. I'm not even putting on an act. This is the real deal. Hey, it's a shades. It's IMPP, good entry right now. Yeah, it was a sick entry yesterday, so it's even better today, essentially. Let's say Bull USD was a good entry at 200 right here. That was a good entry, 200 Bull USD, but oh, it dipped down yesterday. That's even better. That doesn't change a thing. And Uniswap. Okay. Damn, Uniswap. Whoa. That might actually be leading the way right now. I think that might be up more than any fucking altcoin yet. That's up more than Ethereum. That's further along than Ethereum. That's further along than everything else. Oh, Qdom. Still, Uniswap's like up here. Okay. Really? Okay. I'm dumbfounded by that one. Literally like the worst altcoin charts leading the way, going up the furthest out of them all. If that's going up like that, they're all gonna do it. Uniswap's popping off, SHIBA's popping off, Ethereum's continuing up. There's no bearish altcoins right now. What the fuck? What about DOGE? Compound's over 50 already. No, why if I was over 7K? My goodness. I'm not seeing any bearish altcoins on our watch list, and we've hand selected these ones for a reason. I'm sure there are some coins that are crashing that are bad right now. Not only are there no bearish signs on any of those, some of the worst looking ones like Uniswap and Ethereum, they're not good entries. These are not good entries. And they're still crushing it. So Uniswap, Ethereum, okay, this is Ethereum right here, right? And it's already almost up the full way right here. That's where Bitcoin's 30K. The altcoins are further than Bitcoin. Uniswap's already up here. It's already hit that level. It's even further than Ethereum. Any of them, it's like leading the way, and this is one of the most bearish altcoins from the last 6 months. One of the ugliest, worst altcoins for the last 6 months, a year, is now one of the strongest, most green altcoins all of a sudden. Things are changing big time. If even that's popping off, if even SHIBA is doing things, it's fucking go time. SHIBA's holding up 100% from 2 weeks ago. It's time. We're over 1T. That was probably the last test of that 1T level. Like, we could tap it right now, whatever, but tomorrow, we're looking to stay over 1T. Market cap. Altcoins can get through 600 billion. Put up into our chart. Okay, speed bump. We got 10 minutes. We hit that resistance spot 23 and dollars right on the line still. We're just running out of time on the bell. All good. Because obviously it's leading into tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, and then we got Friday FOMO. Finish the week with a bang. It's only Wednesday, middle of the week. That was epic price action for a Wednesday. Clear blast off on crypto. This is the altcoin market cap. We hit this speed bump last week at 600 billion. Look how fast that shot back up. And we're already about to breach through 600 billion again on the altcoins. That could be in the next 30 minutes. Yeah, true. Today started off kind of slow. It was a lesson. It was a real lesson everyone needs to think about. Like, when you're taking a shower tonight, you're thinking about your positions. A lot of the reason why it started slow today, because there was pressure building to the federal announcement stuff. With the dollar there. Yesterday, everyone expected something bad. So what did they do? If they were expecting something bad, a bad market response, the day before, they go bearish. They entered puts and shorts on bearish trades, thinking AMC, whatever, pretty much everything. Or they sold their crypto because they're thinking, oh, it's gonna go but ugly tomorrow. They got out yesterday. That's why yesterday was red, and today was just like leading into that. And then boom, here's the last hour. Here's power hour. That's the kind of action we've been waiting for, as clear as can be now. So nothing bad can happen at this point. We're just running out of time. The bell's about to hit. That couldn't have gone any better, but we could even keep going. Crypto next 30 minutes. get over 23 still today, right now. But of course, obviously, it's all just leading us to tomorrow and Friday. That's set up perfectly to finish the week strong, and then next week we keep going. Keep in mind, S&P's holding over 400. It's not just crypto. S&P smashed 400 and it hasn't dropped down. So we kind of ran out of steam there the last 10 minutes, whatever, because S&P is battling out 400. So Bitcoin's like, pass over the camera to the S&P. All eyes back on the S&P while the market closes, and then market closes, everyone shifts back crypto. Bitcoin's waiting for this, whatever. Oh, this is incredible though, really. So the lesson today was stick to the plan, trust Captain, work as a team, be patient, stay calm, hold strong. This morning I was caught off guard a bit by a couple of our teammates feeling impatient. They're like, I don't know how much longer. I'd want to wait for some green to come through. It's really wearing me down every day and stuff. So the markets are testing everyone's emotions and patience, and that's where a lot of traders making mistakes right now. Trading emotionally. You gotta kind of disconnect yourself from that, because turns out like if you can feel like that in the morning, right? You can feel like that all morning for 5 hours long, and then all of a sudden we get that huge dollar dip and everything's popping off and it all gets better all of a sudden, like. And then there was nothing to ever worry about all morning long for 5 hours, like, oh no, I'm impatient, I don't know, when's it gonna go up? A couple hours later, a day later, a week later, it starts going up, right? So if you're just able to control, like, tolerate your emotions about it and kind of control that, there was no problem on the chart. So the only problem was some of us feeling impatient. And I really don't mean that directed at those people, like at me too, you know? We all feel that way. I feel impatient about this too, but I gotta tolerate that and just let the charts do their thing. So if we can get over that, if you can get over your impatience, there was no problem on the chart, so then there was no problems, and we created our own problems by being impatient. See what I mean? Like, we create our own problems with our emotions. It wasn't any problem on the chart. It's us doubting ourselves and like going through the emotional tests every day of like, oh, it's taking a long time, or it opened red, or oh no, another stop planet, right? Keep our eyes on the prize, bigger picture. Look how savage our long-term S&P chart's turning out now. Here's our daily candle on the S&P right there. That's clear as can be. We're going 420. We're going 420 S&P. We're going 30K Bitcoin. We're going $25 AMC. That's all still on. There's been that test with the AMC too. Like, it's under 15 yesterday and today, and people starting to wonder, like, why has it been so red? It's just testing your emotions, that's all. It's still going to 25 based on all this. Based on S&P green and based on dollar dip. Be confident about it. At least try not to stop yourself from making money. Like, those emotions are gonna hold you back from making money. So today, well, let me rephrase. A couple days ago was fucking epic. We got all the short squeeze. Blockbuster was up like 1,000%. GovX was up 200% all in one day. That was epic short squeezes. Trippy digi day. Completely different from today. Super epic today for all the different reasons. For the Bitcoin, complete shakeout. Bitcoin nailing the coffin for the bears. We got 10 seconds. Still over 400 on that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 401. Great job, everyone. I couldn't have got any better. Right over 2. Oh, the crypto stocks kicked up to the very end there too, by the way. That Sphere 3D move. As soon as Bitcoin was pulling upwards, we started getting at crypto stocks. Power Bridge 10%. Back holdings 10%. About to leave the nice entry. It's not gonna be a nice entry very long, that's the problem.
Hot beverage.
Super hot right now, flaming hot baby right now. Next week it can be $5 double. Now it's not quite as hot a baby. Next month is up $10. Now you missed it. Now it's not even worth trading anymore. Like, this is our chance while they're down there. Let's fucking go. All time low, let's fucking go. It's gotten spicy. Something epic was cooking up. And I can practically smell that Bitcoin 30K coming out of the oven. Oh, I think that's my brother making some chicken soup out there. He really is. Oh, it smells good. I don't know if that's chicken soup I smell or if that's Bitcoin 30K. Oh, Island Tunes. Lord, what's that? Maybe not yet. We're still going crypto. Crypto crew, stick around. Fuck it. It's basically crypto special at this point. So we're just gonna keep cruising. Hope you all had a great day. Thanks so much. Kind words of support. We're just getting started. 24-hour live stream. Oh yeah, hey Frank. IMPP had a drop opportunity today. Yeah, there's some news on it conference. That was a hot one from yesterday. Because we got the breakout, but it didn't hold today. There's some kind of news event, so the news sold off today. Hey, disappointing for the day, but it's nothing to worry about there. Some people made entries, so I would call that a drop opportunity, where it's yesterday was a good entry on it here. Or the day before, you know, and Actually, this is today. It opened up strong, to be clear. Since we're specifically charting this one all of a sudden, I might as well be specific about the details. It was a good entry yesterday. It opened with a bang this morning, but there was some kind of conference news, whatever, sold the news off. And I should just see that as a drop opportunity. It's just as good an entry as yesterday, even better. Because now you know it's ready to break out. Now you know how ready it is. Maybe that's even better. Give you more accurate timing. How about any important numbers on the stock closes there though? That's not important, it doesn't change anything. There's gotta be some more critical numbers that we were able to clear through. Well, Castor Maritime, $1.50. This was very calculated, very predictable here. Our last entry call at $1, where I was like, I would buy $1 million of that if I could. And then it hit 2. I already would have made $1 million, guys. But we knew it was too far too fast. Come back support tests at that 150 spot, and it's over 150 again. Going back up. It's ready for the bull run. These are sending it. It's already started. Castor Maritime bull run engaged. Completely cleared all the downtrends. There's nothing holding it back. Well, if there was gonna be something, if there was anything holding it back, it's the dollar. Okay, so I'm gonna put out this energy. This is gonna go down on the dollar. We're gonna get that dollar crash. It has to happen. We're gonna get crypto bull run. 7's in the chat.
777.
I'm putting energy out there. There, I said it. Now it's gonna happen. Seal the deal with some 7s. Let's send the message off for Ambi. And we gotta be confident about it. It's pretty much the only thing that would even make sense. Because what if it's not that? It doesn't make any sense if it's not that. What else could it be? It's the prophecy. It essentially has to happen. Dollar has to come down, because if it was any other chart, it doesn't matter what the fuck a chart it is. If it's real estate or anything, real estate bubble same way. That's the whole point. It goes up parabolic like this for 2 years and hits a big blow off top. It's gonna come down. What goes up must come down. It can't go up forever. It really can't, because think about what that would mean. What if it keeps going up? What would that mean? That would mean the US dollar's gaining infinite value. The US government's not that powerful. They can't just dominate the entire global economy by printing fucking money or whatever. Like, they don't control the supply that much, where all the other currencies crash except for the dollar goes straight up to the moon. That's not gonna, they can't even do that if they wanted to. They can't just devalue every other currency out there. Like, how the fuck would they even do that? If they could, they would. Unless, did Superman fly down from planet Krypton or something? Superman flew down from Kryptonite? Yeah, dude, the Federal Reserve must be smoking some kryptonite. They can't just cause the US economy to outpower every other economy in the world forever, up and away with no limitation. Like, there's a limit. Other economies are gonna put it in its fucking place. They're gonna put that shit in check, alright? I know I'm proud American living in the USA, but and we're all high and mighty on our horses. And Bull USD is 177.7. Wait, what the fuck? Magic number Bull USD, and it's called Bull USD.
777.
The signs are all there. We got magic numbers on Bull, crypto. There's no coincidence. Oh, we're gonna breach that red line this week, by the looks of it. Maybe even tonight. Right now, we just might not be watching it. Litecoin's still going, about to hit 60. Bitcoin slowed down with the S&P right there, but it's probably gonna kick back up any minute. For real. It's more likely to keep shooting straight up right now, by the way, than it is to go down all night. I know lately, overnight, it's like we go to bed and Bitcoin goes down overnight. And then we wake up with a shakeout or something. Probably wake up here tomorrow. We'll keep crushing it, like 30 more minutes. I got a lot of stuff, a lot of business to do. Serious business on the chart, so we're out of time on the altcoin babies. But look, now that we're over 1T, there's probably no going back. Remember what the development was on Bitcoin yesterday? If you were here yesterday, even though it was red, we had a major development in Bitcoin yesterday. It wasn't very apparent. If you know, you know. We didn't stop hunt 20K. That's huge development. Every other time we've stop hunted 20K, stop hunted 20K, stop hunted 20K. Not this time. Not anymore. Especially not with that vengeance candle. They need to add that to the trading dictionary. They should name that one after me, that giant green candle Bitcoin. Call that Denwo vengeance candle. The nail in the coffin for the bears who thought, oh, it's gonna keep going lower, it'll go back down to 19K and I'll buy the dip. Oops. Nope. No, they were being greedy on the downside. That's being greedy on the downside. Not paper handing, but oh, maybe I can scalp like 10% more on my entry. Well, we're just surfing the waves. There's no move to make right there. People are making moves right there right now. There's no move to make right there. You know the best move to make right there? Have a great day. Captain's orders. The only thing you need to do right now is have an awesome rest of your day. And be confident about where it's headed next. Yeah, exactly, Bitless, man. Lots of retail traders just waiting to pull the trigger, just waiting to see what's the announcement. How's the market gonna react? As soon as they saw it green, the FOMO kicked in. That was impressive, closing over 400 S&P. We'll see if how much of a battle there is over that. It might not even fuck around there that much, and we just keep rolling Friday through Friday. We closed the week at like 410. Get that one tight. Yeah, that is epic progress. It was so good rolling power hour, running a power hour rocket fuel engaged that it's probably not gonna stop. Booty coin bet. Let's check some things first. Check dollar. Dollar's holding that line. Definitely in terms of where the S&P finished, like it's pretty clear. That was enough for now on the S&P. And we definitely could have some more red openings tomorrow morning. You know how it goes in the morning lately. It's every day a mind game, a shakeout. No surprise if S&P opens red tomorrow and dollars still right here. That was too far too fast for Bitcoin too. With the closing of the market there, it ran out of steam. There's some people taking profits and whatnot on that rally, but there's no trade to make there. Well, I'm planning it out right now, 43. Just asking, do I think it's not gonna stop? Are we done? Or we keep going? I'm planning it right now. It very well could keep going. We get some red here, but just a slight pullback. Maybe halfway. For like 10 more minutes. And we're bouncing again already. We're crushing 24 already. Yeah. We're gonna keep going. It's just a matter of when. Does it continue in the next 30 minutes? Or does it take until tomorrow? It's so likely to go down. But here's the thing. Okay. Check yourself before you wreck yourself on Bitcoin day trading. Cause you don't fuck with Bitcoin, Bitcoin fucks with you. That's the thing. That's the whole trap that people keep falling for day after day in this whole area, all the volatility. It makes so much sense for it to touch here and then go. People are being greedy. They're trying to get out right there and then buy back in like 2% lower and then ride it up and then get out and get back in and on these small moves, and there's really no move to make there because this isn't resistance. There's no resistance here. None of that's just resistance. Has gotten over 24,000 a few days ago. Okay, a week ago. Last week it was already over 24k. 23k is not a resistance. It just might have pushed a little bit too far too fast, and the problem is that's what people are thinking. That would be reasonable to think, like, oh, it went too far too fast, it's gonna retrace all the way down here, and then you get fucked over by Bitcoin because it's not really resistance, and it just keeps going. Because that's why there's not really any move to make right there. So really, anyone who's selling it right there, they're not just selling it right there on that little move. They're selling Bitcoin at $22,000. Why the fuck would you ever even try or like want or attempt to sell Bitcoin at 22,000 at the bottom down there? You see what I mean? Whether or not it retraces like 2% red right there, either way, they're being fucking greedy because they're selling Bitcoin at $22,000. Even if they're trying to get back in tomorrow. So there you go. Is it a good idea to sell Bitcoin at 22,000? No, not based on that chart. Remember what it did last time off this trend line? Went to the all-time high. And so if somebody's trying to fuck around scalping, trading Bitcoin right there, they're just asking for it. They're asking for the pain. That's a mistake. They're getting lost in the sauce. Why would you even try to make a 1% trade on that when you know that's how the traders are making mistakes? They're getting lost in the sauce right here, up, down, all around. The best move to make's not making any move right there. We just ride it up. There's no possible day trades you could make on crypto for it to be worth it compared to just riding it up right here. The maximum profits would come from getting in at the very bottom, riding it up to all-time high. In theory, right? If you're day trading, okay, maybe you win that day trade right there and you made a quick 5%. Great job. And then next week, you're day trading again. Okay, you got another 5%. Now you're at 10%. And next month, you get another 5%. Cool, you just made like 20%. Meanwhile, people who just bought that dip and are holding it just made 300% without having to do anything. Without having to press a single button. They're just kicking back, relaxing, enjoying the ride. And that's the mistake, like that's the advantage that you have because you're smarter than that. Don't fuck around with this stuff here when it's about to go up there. All the retails overthinking it, they're overcomplicating it. So the key to that happening is dollar crash. We're gonna start talking a lot more about dollar crash More than even the market crash. More than even the stock market crash. Because as we're catching more and more wind, our undervalued charts are popping off, going 500%, 1000%. Ethereum just hit 1600. We're still cruising. Litecoin's about to break out $60. I was about to end the show. I don't think I can. I can't end the show and Litecoin's about to pop off. Everything like popcorn. That was my new favorite term. Oh, that's not the popcorn. There we go. That's the closest sound effect I have to popcorn. That's really bubbles popping underwater. But Ethereum just broke 1600. That's continuing right now. Litecoin about to get through 60. Important number on that. And Bitcoin likely is about to continue, guys. And then the smart money wins again. Anyone who wasn't sure already tuned out. They already made their move and they're like, oh, it'll retrace, whatever. Oh shit, are you ready? This is pretty sad. Okay, goodbye Bitcoin bears. They're dead. They're dying. That's... I have some sympathy for them, but fuck. Butt fuck. They're getting butt fucked. Too good. Too much fun. Too much green. Yeah. David Stevens. He goes, hello guys. Did I miss much today? I know you're just joking. I know you know the plan. Surely. I hope you're joking. Well, that's why I did the Power Hour special on YouTube. People will go back and rewatch this tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, you missed the whole crypto squeeze. Bitcoin just squeezed. That's about as big a day as it can ever really have nowadays, like in the current situation. To get a double-digit day on Bitcoin itself. So yeah, get ready, cause exactly like everyone's thinking now, oh, it's gonna retrace. Out there in the world, all the other traders, when I say everyone, I'm imagining like a group of all the other traders out there sitting on their computers while looking at their Bitcoin chart thinking, oh, it's gonna retrace now. So they go, okay, well, I missed it, but whatever, it doesn't really matter, it'll come back down, and I'll get in tomorrow before it goes to 30K. And then it never pulls back, it never retraces, and we keep going right here right now, and we hit 24,000. I don't think we are done yet with that green on Bitcoin. Once it's hitting more like 24, 25, that's where our resistances are at. For the short term, for this local area, right here, right now, that's our resistance. Until it gets up there, there's not a resistance here. That's just a speed bump. 22777! Alright, here we fucking go, magic number. Now it's definitely gonna pop. That's all we needed. Land ho. Land ho. We just hit trip 7s. Sorry, turning back up that direction. It didn't crash down. It's been 30 minutes. Let's see what it got. Let's see what it can do. I'm giving it another 15, 30 minutes. I'm not cutting camera when I know what it's about to do. I want to see it myself. Even if I turned off the camera, I'd just be watching it myself. Okay, Ethereum 1601. Here goes Ethereum breaking out right now. No slowdown, no sign of stopping. I'll shoot number on it. Ethereum can hit 1700. And that would be further up than it's been this whole time. Keep in mind, Uniswap's already there. Okay, so that's Ethereum. In this local area the last week or two is about to smash after that savage shakeout, and then it's gonna hit a new higher high. Uniswap's already done that. We already have been seeing those kind of moves on other coins right here. It's just like Ethereum, except it already broke out and got it further up. So Ethereum's like definitely gonna do that right now. Uniswap just shows me that's what Ethereum's about to do. 1603, going right through 1600. It's not resistance. That means Bitcoin's very likely about to do this too. And then Litecoin at 60. Litecoin at the $60 level there. Overabstracted saying buying crypto now would be mindless FOMO. Just like FOMOing in AMC $20, $30, whatever. Well, generally speaking, yeah, like if you're just day trading any chart and this just happened, you don't want to FOMO into that. But here's the deal. Ethereum at $1,600, forget $1,600. Ethereum resistance is more like $3,000. It's way up like this on Ethereum. So even if that's generally true, like you don't really want to FOMO into this, ever really, where it's like, oh, it just went straight up, I'm gonna FOMO in. It's not really that, because entering Ethereum at 1600 is only halfway up. It's still gonna go double from there pretty easily. There's a lot of room for growth still. It's not the best entry. You missed the bottom on Ethereum. And it's not even that attractive of an entry in the first place because it's up 10x from last year still. Nonetheless, it's still going to 3K. 3K is the real resistance. None of this is resistance. None of that shit, that's not resistance. Only up here. Once it gets up 3K, then you wouldn't want to enter it. It wouldn't make any sense to buy it there. New traders are gonna FOMO in anyway because they see how green it is right here. They go, whoa, Ethereum's going straight up, I'm gonna buy it 3,000, and they push it even further and boom, it's already hitting 5K. All of a sudden Ethereum's all-time high again. Not gonna take that long. That can happen in a month or two. It's not gonna do this kind of stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's just gonna go boom. Thanks so much for everything. I really enjoyed today. It's pretty epic. Lots of vengeance. I'm excited where it's all going. Start wrapping things up soon, I suppose. Bitcoin still crushing. Are we done? Oh, dollar still can dip. I don't think we're done yet. Oh, awesome, exec, you got your boat cut mug. Just gonna email you about the other one and been distracted, busy. Yeah, 2 flowers sent to the bar for a cold beverage. I think let's take a 2-minute water break, trading break. That was an awesome session, an awesome day for that matter. Like we're just going, but they're not looking done yet. I was ready to cut the show. I'm gonna keep going for like 30 more minutes. If anyone wants to hang around, thanks everyone. Yeah, we can do a battle royale and everything. I want to see if this keeps going. Give it a few more minutes there. Not call it just yet. Cause that's a cliffhanger right there. But everyone can feel good, feel happy about the progress that we made. Tomorrow should be nice and green. Finish the week strong. It's all the bravery of the plan starting to pay off. Now let's crush some more bears. Let's kill some more bears. Cause it's still going. This is why you don't fuck with Bitcoin. So I'm talking about it. It looked like so obvious that oh, it's gonna retrace, it's gonna test the low again. It went too far. Nope. Straight up. We ain't done yet. See you at 24K. Next 10 minutes. We're gonna be hitting 25 tomorrow at this rate, and then we'll be like, what, 26, 27 going into the weekend at this rate. Like, we're already gonna be 30K by the end of the week. What the fuck? That was quick. Before the weekend even comes around at this rate. $30K Friday? Green alert. Ethereum's still going. 1607, clear as can be. 1608. It's leading the way, actually. Altcoins are a bit further ahead than Bitcoin. It's got all the reasons to do this. There's no resistance. We're cleared for takeoff. And whatever the dollar does right now, fuck the dollar. Too much Bitcoin FOMO. Cheers, 43. Appreciate it. Well, that's what he said. A mutual appreciation, that's the best kind. I was having you all around the chat. That's how I was feeling starting the day. Really happy to have everyone's company. And let's squash our FUD. Let's stay confident as a team together and keep our eyes on the price. There's always those days or those times when somebody starts to doubt it or second guess themselves or feel negative, and we gotta help them stay positive. Back to business. Crypto sales raised. We're catching lots of wind. Welcome back to Crypto Pirates. Okay, dollar might be done with dollar, however. If crypto's gonna go, it's probably gonna be all on its own. Show us what it's really got. I'm willing to give it a bit more time. Cause it's time to shine, baby. We got that huge number of Ethereum. We got those giant green candles. We're still strong. Very powerful. Got lots of momentum. We didn't run out of steam, really. It's just we ran out of time with the stock market. S&P is not going green. It's all on its own. What do you got, Bitcoin Bay? Show us what you can do. Show all those bears that they fucked up. Here we go, 22.8. Does that look like it's retracing? No. No retracement, no weakness, no stopping. No resistance. Hornet's eyes are glued to the screen. Oh, it's getting exciting. I was excited to buy some more crypto next week to accumulate. Time's up. I'm more excited because it's like, okay, on one hand, crypto's gone, the beast is unleashed. And rocket fuel engaged, the crypto beast has been unleashed. That's what we're gonna wait for. On the other hand, it's like, there's no more time for accumulation. I wanted to pillage some under $1 nano, and now nano's gonna go over $1 right now. Whatever, that's okay. Fuck it. I can get over that. Let's go with the epic green candles. That's way better. That's a lot more fun. We had a whole year of this accumulation. We're done with that. We don't need that no more. Oh, stock market's battling out. David Stevens Beatles, he's got a gun versus the bird. What the crap? How do you hit a bird flying around? You shoot it down. You blast it. Snipe. He's got the ranged attack. We need more damage, just like on Nixia fight. I'm tanking, but we need that ranged DPS. Stay away from the fire breath. The dragon's breath. So we don't get burned, but all that volatility, we don't get burned. Keep our distance, those ranged attacks. And we'll hit those targets. There's a couple ads. Aggro. We got a couple ads we gotta take down. Kelly's main tanking one of those ads. She's off tank. Just keeping it off the healers. Keep Kelly alive. Keep Kelly full heal. We just need that range damage. We need more dust. Take down the bus. We're at Kelly on the S&P that who's on the dollar, who's tanking dollar exec. Oh, David Stevens, you got this one. He's under geared. He's under geared, but he's been leveling up. David, you got the dollar. Keep it out of the group. Keep it away from all the damage dealers. might be undergeared, but his stats have leveled up. He's got lots of life, lots of hit points. Right, David? He can tank anything at this point. His diamond hands are impenetrable. Oh, Bitcoin's fighting the dollar. Dollar's going back up, but Bitcoin doesn't give a fuck. Short-term indicators, not quite yet. It's reflecting the price there. Very solid. Okay, we have 3 up there. Maybe even 4, but 5's the number. These are the details where you don't worry about them, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Because we're on the 5-minute chart. Day trading time frames. So don't even pay attention to this. Really. We got 1, if we're even gonna count that, if we even want to count that. 2, 3, 4, 5's the number. If it had already done 5, that might be that would be different. It would be done for the day if we already hit 5. We're probably gonna hit that 5th spike. When we don't have bullish crossover yet. There, do we have it on the 3-minute? Oh, holy fuck, it's so close on the 3-minute. Any second now. We're gonna get that bullish crossover, and that's very short term. It's exactly what we need to get this next boost up. Go chop up another $1,000. Crypto market cap still going up, increasing. Ethereum has not stopped. 1610. This is going for it. Against the dollar. Put an alert. That's why I wanted to do a crypto special, because it really is time to shine on it. We've almost been overdue for this. Now that S&P finished super green over 400, it seems just a matter of time till we're crushing 30K. So to just pop up another $1,000, get back where we were a couple days ago is no problem. Finish the day up here with the daily candle close. That's 3 hours from now. Keep in mind, Ethereum's already up here. Uniswap's already up here. So it's almost even overdue for that. If those turn around, then we ran out of steam, and that's it for the day. But right now, they're still going for it. And that would just be an extra, some extra hype. Oh, help us all sleep well tonight. That's another $1,000 that we don't have to worry about. Crash it back down. How strong are we on it right now? Are we really going to 30 as soon as possible? Is it gonna take as long as possible though? On the flip side, just like the S&P taking as long as possible? Or are we just going for it? That was a huge catalyst on dollar. It was a major turning point. Dollar. I really could have been it on dollar, and that's what we've been waiting for. That's the whole key to Bitcoin going up, is dollar going down right now. Today's that day. If I didn't have so much to do, I would keep streaming for all night. Till we got bored. Till we got bored of seeing green. But at this point, oh, it couldn't have been better. That's the last thing I want to see on the day. Today could not have gone any better if we get over that line on Bitcoin right now. And then guess what? Tomorrow morning, you know what's gonna happen first thing in the morning? Crypto stocks. Sphere 3D. Even Metin. Can we just seal that deal with one last push? Even TCAT. Well, let's check where TCAT left off. Not PCAT though. It's pretty low. It's at the low point there, but that's right on the long-term trend line. This is a loose trend line. We can shift it slightly, adjust it without affecting it, without changing it. So it's still right on that trend. TCAT ready, primed and ready to go, yeah. So yeah, even TCAT. There's been no danger with that lately. There's been no warning signs on it. It's just been flat, waiting for Bitcoin to gain. That's been the issue with the crypto stocks lately for the past month. When Bitcoin's been down at 20K, there's not enough confidence with retail out there to enter crypto, let alone crypto stocks. They're not even confident to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, let alone buy Sphere 3D or Metin, right? So we really need this Bitcoin upside to get all those crypto stocks moving and grooving. That's what they're waiting for. Until Bitcoin goes 25, 30K, TCAT's gonna stay flat right here, just pancake. But once Bitcoin's hitting 30K, we're gonna be bumping up to $5 TCAT again, because this is the last nice upside we got on crypto. TCAT did this from right here and it went to 5. That wasn't that long ago. So let's check though, mid-March. Bitcoin going for it, it's crushing right now, guys. It's like the day just started on Bitcoin. We had all day stock market and then crypto is beginning now. Where were we mid-March? Here. Look, this was the last somewhat decent upside on Bitcoin right here. Was mid-March. That's where TCAT did this from right here where we are now and went up to $5 with Bitcoin. Bitcoin smashed since then. Bitcoin tanked since then. Hey, let's go back to that. So here's where TCAT hit $5. Bitcoin was 50K. Bitcoin was up 50K. And TCAT was doing that. Bitcoin dunked. Bitcoin smashed. TCAT held the line. TCAT's chilling. Yeah, TCAT came down too, but it's maintaining right there where we want it, right where we want it. It's not like TCAT crashed like that. It just came back down to support. And it's ready to go up with Bitcoin again. That looks so much better for TCAT. That's just extra good things about TCAT right there. Come on, dollar, after all that today. There's gotta be more crypto traders out there, some more rocket fuel to help kick this off. To help boost us towards 30. What, everyone stopped trading after the bell? There's gotta be some more crypto FOMO out there. It's probably, guys, I think it's just hitting the altcoins right now. Most likely Bitcoin stopped going straight up because there are people who are selling some Bitcoin to buy altcoins. It's starting to trickle down on altcoins there. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, very green. It's not even worth really charting this, just observing. It's okay, super green. Litecoin, Bitcoin. Very healthy, not exactly changed yet. Well, we're really focusing short term though, so here's on right now. Like this is right now, even with Bitcoin crushing up that candle. Litecoin's outpacing Bitcoin right now. So yeah, this shows us that right now people are selling Bitcoin, buying Litecoin. Or at least, maybe not even directly that, but at least Litecoin's getting buying pressure enough to outpace the gains on Bitcoin. So much that it's probably on the dominance too. Dominance chart. Well, short term, so it is coming down as of the last couple hours. Yeah, and that actually, that's a pretty important spot. That is, I'm glad we noticed that now actually. Now that I remember where that is exactly on the Bitcoin dominance chart, this is a huge spot, critical level, where I almost didn't even mention it last week because it was still kind of fucking around. But we're actually under that right now, past couple days, and we're getting a rejection right off that level. So now I zoom out, that's the only line that matters on that chart right now. We're going under it. Getting under, so the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin a lot by the looks of that, or they're about to. They have been right here, and they're about to keep doing it. If this was going up, it would mean Bitcoin's going up a lot, but the altcoins aren't doing as well. This means the altcoins are even better. Bitcoin's going up, altcoins going up even more. Ah, Ethereum testing 600, but dollar still looks ready to dip. Was that it or was it not? It's been a whole hour from the bell. You still can't even call it. We still can't even call it right there. Because Ethereum's just testing 1600 right now. For 10 minutes, for 5 minutes. Balancer's still going. Let me see if there's any other ones that have continued. It does look like Balancer's getting higher up. Any of them. Nah, they're all mimicking. This one's still going. They're pretty much all mimicking the compound up more. Another dollar up on compound. But they're pretty much waiting for Bitcoin there. So are we. Yeah, no. Yeah, see at this rate, any minute, like tonight, Nano's gonna be over $1 already. And yeah, good job scouting out Wi-Fi over 7K. Saw somebody talking about that. That's the important number on it. And since it just happened, like, you know, similar to S&P just hitting 400, it takes a few minutes for it to really develop. Like, it's probably gonna hit 6999 again, and then it's bouncing up going green. I'm looking for any more signs of continuation. They all look incredible, but it does seem they're kind of waiting for the next move on Bitcoin there. See, this looks like Bitcoin right here on Stellar Lunas, where we smashed up, and it can keep going effectively straight up, but we might be done for now, or it's just gonna be developing, chopping around that area. And it's all good anyway, either way, no matter what. Magic number Uniswap. Well, we got another magic number, 7.77 Uniswap. We're definitely heading in the right direction, but yeah, of course, like, are we done testing 1T right now? 1T's been the dominant factor on all of crypto lately, the whole market cap 1T. It's not even that this is following Bitcoin, as Bitcoin's following the crypto market together as a piece of the puzzle, a whole piece of the whole pie. Yeah, if that made sense. Been a long day. You can tell I'm excited though. If it doesn't even touch that, it's complete annihilation of the paper hands. Anyone who paper handed there, annihilated. Right now, and we're only halfway up. That was an hour ago. We had an hour of consolidation, then an hour straight up again. That's where it's looking to go right now, just to be clear. Like, this probably is all gonna keep going right now. I'm just not gonna stream all night. I'm out of coffee, that's a problem. I got other stuff to take care of. The setup's incredible. I would love to see it breach that line before we end the show. And then it would just be such a perfect day. It already really was. Well, if it starts dipping here, we'll just call it. The whole point is it looks to be a matter of time right now. And all of this right here is just for tomorrow. It's just extra hype for tomorrow, really. Either way, it's gonna be heading up to 30. Either way, it's doing this. That's it. Okay. I like to be productive. I'm not trying to waste people's time just hanging around. You know, the show's essentially over, but as long as I'm diving into church, might as well let you all know what's going on. I'm not quite done yet with my stuff. Cause usually after we end the show, I'm still charting all night, like figuring things out. Okay, either way we're going at 30 because we can get extra clues about that. We know that because dollars topped out. And we're expecting that to break down further this week. Maybe tomorrow. And then it's under that red line. That'll be a huge development on the dollar. So every day we're getting these huge developments, right? on different charts. So we know it because of that. That helps us know it's gonna keep going up because dollar's looking to keep going down. Great job, I'm so impressed. A bunch of you have been here since we started in the morning, like 8 hours ago. That was one of my favorite days in a lot of ways. Although there's some good, bad, and ugly on the charts, there's always something ugly happening somewhere in the markets. Yeah, I'll just surprise you guys later tonight. Surprise live stream when we hit 30K tonight. It can't really tonight, like it could, but how would it do that tonight when the dollar is gonna close? We need more dollar dip for 30, which is gonna come throughout tomorrow, Thursday, and then finish the week strong Friday, right? Once we're getting that move end of week, then we can keep crushing over the weekend, hit 30. Tonight, that would be too fast, really. See, if it hit 30 tonight, just because, might as well, since we're talking about, if it did like squeeze all the way up there tonight, it would drop back down. We'd be right back down there tomorrow. So this is all very smooth, very healthy, heading in the right direction. We know the dollar dip's imminent. Dollar crash is more imminent than the market crash at this point. Like really, you can anticipate that dollar crash right here even more than you can the rest of the stock market crash. This is imminent. So that's confluence. That's all we really need to know, more so what the altcoins have been doing. If we throw some of those on top of it right now, on top of Bitcoin, like Uniswap's gone up a lot. This is up a lot more than Bitcoin is right now. Try and really match them up. I'm not just doing it for fun, I want to know too. There's Bitcoin in blue, there's Uniswap in orange, it's way above Bitcoin. If Uniswap, one of the most bearish altcoins over the last 6 months, is going straight up, recovering even faster than Bitcoin is, then Bitcoin is definitely gonna go up there too. It's like a sure thing at this point. This is the easy part. This ain't even the hard part. The hard part's what happens when Bitcoin's at $50,000. Once Bitcoin back up 40, 50K, that's gonna be tricky. This is gonna try and follow Uniswap in orange there and get up here, and if it goes up there, that puts us at 30K Bitcoin. See, if we get up there where Uniswap is on this chart, just visually, that blue line goes up to where that orange line is, because they match up here, the top and bottom. Uniswap's going further faster than Bitcoin, even though Uniswap's not been good. And even that's way up here, recovered from that dip. See how the yellow ones already it had this huge drop, and it went all the way back up. Full recovery there already, Uniswap. Now if we just turn off Uniswap and Bitcoin goes up here, the blue line goes up there, catches up with the altcoins, boom, we're at 30. That's 30K Bitcoin. That would put us back to this area. So if the altcoins are already getting back up there, they're there currently. Uniswap and Ethereum should be getting up there too soon. It's not quite as far as Uniswap, but it's further than Bitcoin. Actually looks pretty identical right now. Not by much. Insignificant amount actually on that. I'll try a different one. So that one's Uniswap, how far up it is there. I think we got it on Compound. Compound up there. Looks like it. Damn, it's hard to tell on some of these. No, Compound would be up here if that was the case, really. Not yet. I'm gonna take another look through those because it's gonna be good to know for tomorrow and going forward. I need to double check this now. I know those ones are low. A lot of our favorites are still down at the lows. Balancer's not up there yet. Litecoin not yet. None of our favorites are yet. That's the whole point. There's still good entries on those ones. That might line up nice. Try that one. EOS is up a lot. I'm looking more for ones that are up here already. Matic maybe? Oh, Matic's pretty far. Let's try Matic. Bitcoin dollar. The lesson of the day is patience, really. Now my patience is running out with Bitcoin. I just have to pick that up tomorrow. But this is all the reason I'm going through this stuff right here is to help us know that it's gonna be green tomorrow. Okay, let's try that UFO and Matic. That one's too undervalued. That one's crashed too much. Matic, perhaps. The more of these that were to be doing it, the better it is for Bitcoin. Matic is further up. Okay, cool. That one still is a good amount above Bitcoin there. So we found at least one other one, Matic in pink. There's gotta be more, but I'm not gonna go through every one of them. YFI maybe? We'll notice as time goes on. over the next few weeks, we'll notice more and more of them going into that. It's like, whoa, Jasmine's up 500% and Bitcoin's not moved. At least having a couple of the altcoins ahead gives us a really good idea of what Bitcoin's about to do. And this is why I say that, well, Bitcoin's almost overdue for this anyway. It probably already should have gone up here last week with Ethereum and Uniswap and Matic and stuff. It could already be up here easy. So the fact that those ones are still holding up, they didn't just pop and drop. Even those are breaking out those levels, going even further. All signs are pointing up on Bitcoin, especially with the S&P on the midterm here, or long-term chart. Yeah, that's right, Salut. S&P keeps that up for another week or two. Of course, Bitcoin's gonna go green with it. That's been some of the greenest days on Bitcoin, is when the S&P is going up a lot too. It helps it go up even more. So S&P keeps going up like that, we're certainly gonna be getting more green. That's why it's like, the stars are aligned, like all the puzzle pieces are in place, and we kind of just gotta wait till the candle bars catch up. What a lesson right there, because I have to put my own lesson to use now. Everything that I was trying to communicate to people all day of like, our patience is our own worst enemy, we're our own worst enemy. And I know like any minute Bitcoin's about to smash giant green candles, but I can't sit here all day. I gotta stay here all night, so at some point I'm gonna have to put my own advice to use and go, oh well, I'm confident where it's going and I might not get to see it right now, but whatever it is. Let's have a nice relaxing night and stay calm, hold strong, and then tomorrow will be just as epic. Tomorrow we have another super epic day. We're getting dollar dip, guys. That's so funny because I gotta go. My voice is thrash. That was a long day. People are burned out. I ran out of coffee 20 minutes ago. My mouth is dry. Got other stuff to do, but we're getting that dollar dip. It's about to pop off. The faith is there. I just want to see it happen for my own satisfaction. It's like playing a video game. I just want to get that one last headshot. Today was so epic. That would just be the perfect conclusion. Sturgeon says, don't kill Cap. I really don't want to, but I definitely need an intermission. I'm thinking about giving it a bit longer. The dollar's just starting to turn down right there. Yeah, one more game of Pac-Man. One more game of Donkey Kong. We'll be here till the fucking daily candle close at that point. But look, the dollar dips are going red right now. That means in 15 minutes, Bitcoin's going green. It's a delayed effect. We hit the dollar dip right here, right now. 10 minutes, Bitcoin's going green. So if we get dollar dip right now and I cut camera, I'm gonna miss it. That's what it's gonna be. Let's see. I'm leaving it to the dollar right here. If we get this dollar dip right now, I'm gonna keep streaming for 20-30 minutes. If dollar doesn't break through there right now, I'm ending the show. It's gonna be dollar. Because otherwise it could just fucking stay flat for 2 more hours. Right there. Till it closes. Well, there's only an hour on the close there. There's only an hour left on the dollar, if that. It might even freeze before that. It's been doing that. We don't usually go this long. Sometimes it freezes on us. Because the daily candle's in an hour, but I think it's gonna stop moving soon. Before that, 30 minutes maybe. So we got like 30 minutes for an extra dollar dip. Yeah, people are chilling today. I feel like it was a pretty calm and relaxing day. I don't think anyone's mind melted today. Not too many mind games or anything. More emotional stuff. Or making sure the plan's going as accordingly. It has been broken. More green. See, at that point, it's like, if it doesn't do it the next minute or two, how long is it gonna take? Could take all night. It's just bullishly consolidating here, building pressure for tomorrow. The good news is it didn't drop. There's no retracement. There's no sell-off. There's no dip or anything. It's ready to go. That's the thing. Like, that's the funny part. It's been ready to go for about an hour and a half now. It's acting like the S&P, but then again, remember, it's all on its own. It's all up to Bitcoin right now because market's closed. The casual viewers already tuned out. Like, in general, stock traders, AMC traders, whatever, right? If that's all they care about, then they're already got for the day, and then big things happen when people aren't paying attention. I'm paying attention. We're just running out of time again, just like the stock market. Right when we crushed 400, we ran out of time. Right when we're about to get this boost, I can run out of time on the dollar there. So let's check the daily candle. A giant daily candle has got 2.5 hours till that close, so that's the catch. I'd love to see it smash right now, but it's got 2.5 hours until that candle close. That could happen anytime between now and 2.5 hours. Or right after that. It could happen in 4 hours. 6 hours. Fucking dollar. Fuck the dollar. It's holding it back. It's such a cliffhanger right there, which is so epic for the rest of the week. And today was as good as it possibly could be. And it looks like it's also going. And I'm getting tired. I knew that now. Litecoin Ethereum is, so look at Ethereum though, over 1600 again. Just a couple minutes later, still going strong as ever. Bitcoin definitely got followed that. We've held over 1T the whole time. Uniswap's up even more, or UFO now, but kinda all of them. Essentially all of them. The Balancer getting further up there. It's almost 6 now. Ooh. Ooh, even if we don't have it on Bitcoin, look at Balbay. Got Balancer. Look where we are on this one. That's the top of the top. About to keep crushing. Going into the rest of the whole move there, hundreds of percents. Balancer was always one of the first to start the recovery action back here. It was one of the lowest on the chart, same with things like ICP. Very close to getting through 7 there. 694, like how can I end the show? I was about to break out 7. That's so close yet so far. So now it's at the point where even my patience gets tested, right guys? It's like, I'm going through that too, I feel you, I'm human too. You get all excited and then it takes another day. Takes another week or something. I think at this point, we'll just call it and save some hype for tomorrow. Let's save some hype for the morning. Dollars are gonna run out of time anyway, and Bitcoin's all on its own. The important part is it's not even selling off in the slightest. It didn't even retrace at all. That's not even a retracement. What is that? 1.5% down? That's a joke. Bulls are in control. That was an epic move on it. The fact that Ethereum's right at 1600, holding right there, I mean, it couldn't look any better, and it can't keep going right after I turn off the camera. All of a sudden it's up 1700. But you know, there's a couple hours on the candle close too, so it's like a lot of traders are gonna be waiting for that, checking that candle close, and that's when there will be more developments really in 2.5 hours with those daily candle closes. Similar to the S&P closing the day 401. In that regard, it doesn't really matter. Ethereum 1599, 1601, Bitcoin 22,600, 22,700. Really, it's completely irrelevant at the moment. Because in 2.5 hours, it's gonna look beautiful on that daily candle close. And we'll just save hype for tomorrow. The charts are kind of on a cliffhanger, and that's been a lesson of the day. That's been an important thing to reflect on today, is you don't need to watch it actually happen. So I'm gonna use this as a lesson for everyone to show you, even though I'm super excited about it, it looks awesome, it could happen any minute. We don't need to stare at the 1 minute chart. It'll be exciting tomorrow. We wake up, it's up even more. Or even not, even if it stays flat all night. And then we keep going tomorrow. It's giant green candles all day tomorrow. Either way, it's looking incredible. Couldn't look any better. Keep our eyes on the price. So that's just a daily candle. How's our weekly? Check out the weekly. Green already. We got 4 more days and that's already turning green. 4 more days, that weekly candle will be up there. And then the monthly candle's been filling out too. Already recovering a lot of this. The previous month. We're getting close to the end of the month, but the next one, it's looking like we're gonna get another giant green candle next month, August. That might not be the most bullish looking candle at the moment. It will if it hits 30K in the next few days. Oh shit. If we hit 30K in 4 days and 3 hours from now, that is gonna be the most bullish looking candle ever. Alright. So I think that's the big takeaway there is whatever it does from minute to minute, from hour to hour, from day to day, let's control our emotions, stay calm, hold strong. We're winning, we're making progress. The wind's kicking up, smooth sailing ahead, live to trade another day. Thanks again, all the kind words of support. Have an awesome rest of your day and take care. Save some height for tomorrow. Today was all about that vengeance. The burger is paying off already. Alright everyone, good job. Thinking ahead, staying positive. Even if you're not, I know you didn't panic, so. No squanching. And even though Bitcoin is very unlikely to hit 30K tonight right now, it's cool to know that's possible. That's how hot it is right now. That's how lit it is right now. That's all coming to fruition. The prophecy.